Imagine discovering hidden dangers beneath a groundbreaking innovation hub. This is the reality at Tesla Giga Berlin's expansion site. Chemical weapons have been unearthed at the planned Tesla Giga Berlin expansion site, sparking a major recovery operation. From August 19, 2024, experts will work tirelessly to safely remove these hazardous substances. Grünheide Mayor Arne Christiani assures the public that the recovery will be meticulously planned to minimize disruptions. An exclusion zone will be established, affecting local roads and transport services, but safety is the top priority. Residents are urged to cooperate fully, ensuring the smooth and swift removal of these dangerous materials. Despite this setback, Tesla Giga Berlin remains a beacon of innovation and employment, with a diverse workforce from 120 nations. The factory is also a leader in sustainability, boasting the lowest water consumption per vehicle in the industry. With the most on-site electric vehicle charging stations, Giga Berlin continues to set new standards in green manufacturing. Stay tuned for more updates on this critical recovery operation. Tesla Giga Berlin, where innovation meets resilience.